Kami nga.
Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees. That I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day.
How's the experience so far?
The experience is, my God, I love it.
Sarap?
Yun, so yun.
Ang lasa.
Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best friend you.
I love you too, Jim.
Si Joseph,
I like wearing aprons.
you like wearing
Wait lang.
aprons? Layo ka.
Okay.
Layo ka lang.
I'm lost. Take me, Rachel.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear.
Eh, hi, alisin dito ka sa kabilang side. Alisin dito ka sa kabilang side. Dito ka sa kabilang side.
Kami ka.
When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Okay, so game. Anong gagawin natin?
Hanap po kami ng regalo.
Ay, wow.
Exchange gift, 30 minutes. Let's go!
Okay, hello. Nakuha ko si Philip as my annual exchange gift partner, or I don't know, a secret Santa. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, he wants a Fugler and something na he can design on his desk like a Pop Mart. And galing na ako sa Fully Book and walang Fugler, so Pop Mart it is.
Hello. Ang nabunot ko ay si Lawrence. Gusto niya ay shirt or clothes or anything. And we have 30 minutes. Let's go!
Nakuha ko si Joseph.
So, hi guys! So, bali ang nabunot ko is si Alisa. Hindi nakakaya. So, bali, ang gusto ni Alisa is KKV daw na blind box. So, hindi ko alam nasaan. Naliligaw na ako. Tingnan natin kung aabot ako doon ng 30 minutes.
Ito yung nabunod ko si Ate.
Okay, so I ended up buying him a blind box from KKB. I hope he likes my gift.
I got the goods. May surprise yun sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung makikita mo today.
Bumili ako ng yung unang choice niya, malaking teddy bear. Kaya ito ako, hihintay si Alisa. Dumating siya sa sakyan para may tago ko. Siyempre ang weird naman kung ang laki-laki niyang dala ko tapos ito, halata agad. So yun, hihintay ko si Alisa. Sorry, di talaga ako nakapag-vlog kanina, pero yun. Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano, iniisip ko kung paano ko ilalagay sa sasakyan. Buti na-chat ko si Alisa. So yun.
May pa ganyan si bakla. Oh, ganda. Parang wala ka nabili, bossing. Ay, okay. Ay, okay. O sige, it's a surprise daw. Say hi! Pakita ang gifts, pakita ang gifts. Yes! What's it? Eto, natatakot ako kay Lawrence. Okay. Lawrence. Ano naman? Bakit si Lawrence yung nabubulog niya? Ayan na. Nakakatakot pa. Ay! Grabe kotse! Kotse!
Ito na muna nangyari. Binigyan kami ng tea.
Oo. Kasi ganun kailangan itago. Ay, wait lang ah. Ako din. Ganda. Ayan na. Ayan na. Sabi ko na eh, kasi parang ganun mo na siya pwedeng itago eh. Paano?
Ang nakuha kong gift ay si Joseph.
Kayo ang pag-ibig.
Ako. Ano kayo pili? So, walang dito yung
Tingin ka pa. Dun sa bag.
si Kuya.
Sa tabo. Sa tabo.
Gift card.
Normal diba 600?
Ano, sige, pwede na.
6.
Okay ba? Pwede na.
Pang
I like. Lang parehas din tayo. I love.
690.
I like. Forgive so forgive. Okay, let's go!
Hey, let's go! Hi guys, it's vlog.
Ready siya. Ganyan dapat, ganyan dapat.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa MOA, guys. Ayun lang, si Rayo Escalator.
Ay, hindi mo sinabi, vlogger pala to jowa.